Hello Ideal Home, my name's Neil and this is my Victorian renovation. So in our living room we had a original Victorian fireplace surround included. I wanted to kind of bring it a bit more up to date, so added in these black and white geometric tiles. They're encaustic tiles, so they're made out of cement. But I just thought it'd be really fun and interesting to do something that really contrasted with the period feature. So in our dining room, we've got this really amazing vintage chandelier, and that was really the inspiration for the direction we went with the style of this room. We wanted it to be really gothic, really dark and really atmospheric, and have a really moody space to kind of entertain our friends and family. So the kitchen was the first room we renovated when we bought the house, and included with the house was this Aga, which was really amazing, but originally it was coloured in cream, which didn't really work. So we found a company online that would come and replace the coloured panels with a different colour of our choice. So we went with this really amazing dark red. So the inspiration for the wallpaper on our bedroom ceiling came from this piece of art, which incorporates lots of kind of interesting cloud shapes in its design. So we chose this wallpaper of clouds by Cole & Sons, just to give this bedroom more atmosphere, more drama, and something a bit different.